Business Calculus, homework from Chapter 5, number 13. I would like to create a rectangular vegetable garden. So let's create a rectangular vegetable garden. Okay. And the fencing for the east and west side, this is the west side, and this is the east side. The fencing for those two are going to cost me $4 per foot. So to make this side and this side, it's going to be $4 every foot. Also, we know that we're told that the fencing for the north and south side is only $2 per foot. So the north and south side is $2 per foot. And we have a total budget of $192. So this whole budget cannot cost more than $192. What are the dimensions of the vegetable patch that with the largest area we can enclose? Well, we're asking for largest area. Largest areas means we need to find the area formula and take a derivative of it to find the largest. So the area formula we have to is length times width. Let's call this side right here, let's see, width, let's be W, and this will be L, so L times W. Now we want to take a derivative of this. The problem is that we have L's and W's. We want to have just L's or just W's, so we need a little bit of substitution to get rid of one of these two. Well, let's go back to the pricing. We're told that for every width that you have here on this side, it's going to cost you $4. So it's $4 times W. That's my cost for just this side. For this side right here, this is also W. That's what's going to also cost me $4 for each of those W's. Now this side is L long, and that's going to cost me $2 for each of those L's, all lengths. And this side is also L long from here to here, and that's also going to cost me $2. So when I add up all my costs, I want that to be 192. Well, if I combine all these, this is really 8W plus 4L's equals 192. And I can use this to help me substitute for one of these L's or W's. So let's solve for L. So what I'm going to do is subtract 8W from both sides, and we'll end up with 4L equals 192 minus 8W. Then we'll divide everything by 4, and we'll end up with L equals, let's see, 4 goes into 19, let's see, 4 times with a 32, which makes it 8. And then negative 8W divided by 4 is negative 2W. Alright, that's my substitution for L. So let's go here and say A is now a 48 minus 2W times W. And so now this is a function of W, because it has all W's. So let's go ahead and distribute this. We'll get 48W minus 2W squared. And now the derivative will give us the max, the largest area. So this will be 48 minus 4W. And we'll set the derivative equal to 0 in order to maximize this. So I'll put my 4W on the other side. So 4W will equal 48 and divide both sides by 4. I'll get W equals 1, 2. So the width for W is 12 feet. So what are the largest dimensions of the vegetable patch? Well, W would be 12 feet long. Now, what about the L? Well, here we go. L equals 48 minus 2 times W, which would now be 2 times 12. So this will be 48 minus 24, which equals 24. So we have a width of 12 and a length of 24.